Soft ocean sounds. Splash is orange, bright and round, the happiest fish to ever be found. He wiggles his fins, 1, 2, 3, then zooms through bubbles, wild and free. Down, down, deep in the sea, come swim along with Splash and me. Fish and turtles, crabs and more, friends to meet and fun galore. Bubbles has arms, count them with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, how many do we see? 5, 6, 7, 8, hooray! Bubbles waves them every day. Down, down, deep in the sea, come swim along with Splash and me. Fish and turtles, crabs and more, friends to meet and fun galore. Coral is slow but never late, she counts the shells upon the gate. 1 shell, 2 shells, 3 shells more, 4 and 5 she starts to soar. Sandy walks sideways, left and right, snip, snap, claws, what a sight. She sings a song beneath the moon, clicky clack, she loves a tune. Shimmer is shy and glowing blue, she puffs up big when scared, it is true, but friends are near